English Bubbles Chat. At a cafe.
Hi Steve. It's been a while. How are you?
Hey Emma. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. So, what do you do these days?
I work at a software company. I'm a web developer.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it. I get to create cool websites. What about you?
I'm an English teacher. I teach at a language center downtown.
That's awesome. Teaching sounds fun. Grammar. Asking about jobs. We use, "What do you do?" to ask about someone's job. Example. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What does he do? He's a doctor. Remember. Do equals for you, we, they. Does equals for he, she, it.
Seen two on a bus.
So, do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time. My classes are from Monday to Friday.
That's nice. I sometimes work from home.
Oh, lucky you. I wish I could teach online sometimes.
Yeah, working from home is nice, but sometimes I miss my coworkers. Grammar. Talking about routines. We use the simple present to talk about our jobs and routines. Example. I work from home. She teaches English. They study at university. Structure. Subject. Plus base verb. Plus s or s. For he, or she, or it. It was great talking to you.
Same here. Let's meet again soon.
Sure. Take care and have a nice day at work.
You too. Bye, Steve.
Bye, Emma. Thanks for watching this video as English Bubbles Chat.